Okay guys, I want to show you guys how to place your trades on your trading app. So in case you're new to this, the app that we use in trading is known as MT5. That's the app we use for executing our trades. So when you press on it, it opens up for you. Now there are two ways you can actually place your trades. So one of those ways is by, when you look at the bottom of your screen, you're going to see where we have quotes. So when you click on quotes, it will open up this place where you have the different currency pairs where you can select the one you want to trade. And for instance, let's say we want to trade Euro USD. You open it, you open the chart. So this is the Euro USD chart. So all you have to do is you click on trade down at the bottom of your screen. You click on trade, and then you click on this plus icon at the top right of your screen. Okay, so it opens up this page for you. Now, depending on if you are going to execute instant execution or if you're going to use limit order. So if you're going to use instant execution, this is market execution already. So all you have to do is you put your stop loss value and your take profit value in these places that you see not set. Stop loss not set, take profit not set. So you set the values, and if you're selling or you're buying, all you have to do is sell. You click on sell by market or buy by market, which means when you click on those, you're going to be buying at the exact price that market is currently trading on. Now, if you want to use pending order, that means you're going to click on this place you have market execution. There's an arrow by the right of it. So clicking on that arrow, you select either buy limit or sell limit, or if you're also familiar with buy stop and sell stop and the rest, you can click on any of them. So when you click on buy limit, you set the price that you want to buy when price gets to. You set the stop loss, you set the take profit, and then you press place. Why I can't place here now is because these values I placed are not accurate. So when you set yours, they are going to be accurate. So you see, you'll be able to press place and to place. So another way you can actually set trade is by coming to the chart direct. So if you come to the chart direct, that means you have already normally before you come to place your trade, you should have calculated your loss and your profits, calculated to know what you're risking and what lot size you are using. So all you have to do is, there are two red and blue icons actually on your screen. So you look at it by the top right of your screen, click on the extreme one. So when you click on the extreme one, it opens up for you. I actually set my own to be down to open up at the bottom. So but it appears at the top by default. So when you see that thing there, you can now set your lot size. And then when you set your lot size, if you're doing instant execution, you press buy or sell. But if you're not using instant execution, then that means you're going to be clicking on the one that is next to the one. How will I say it? You will click on the first one, not the extreme one. So when you click on the first one, that means you want to either use buy limit or sell limit. All you have to do with this one, it's very easy. You just have to position it at the exact place you want to position it. So wherever you want to position it, and then you also set your stop loss values. You set your stop loss and you set your take profit, and then you click on this arrow, this blue arrow at the bottom of your screen. And then when you click on this arrow, it will show you this screen. You click on place and it has set. So if you click on trade at the bottom of your screen, you will see it here that is showing you placed. So but let me place an instant execution trade like this now. So let me just say I'm going to sell this market, or let me just buy this market. So I'm going to do instant execution. So I'll just I'll just click on this one by the extreme on the top right of my screen, the red and blue icon. I've clicked on it, and now I'm not looking at the bottom of my screen. So I'm just going to buy. I'm not going to do any analysis. I just want to buy. So I'm going to set my lot size. I'm going to buy with one lot. So, and then I'm going to press buy. Okay, so I've pressed buy. Now I can if I want to set my stop loss value, let me remove this. Let me delete this other one. So this trade I've already placed buy. If I want to set my stop loss and take profit, I'll just click on it and press on stop loss, adjust this, press on take profit, adjust it. So you can see the way this app is, it's already showing you how much you can lose and how much you can win. All you have to do is press on the arrow at the bottom of your screen and modify. And then that is it. You are in the trade already. So you can see it. You can see that I'm already losing in this trade. I think I placed this trade twice. That must have been a mistake. So you can see how much I'm losing already in this trade. But this is just practice.